Have you ever gotten stuck? And now I'm not talking about stuck as a metaphor. I'm talking about in a truck. The truck's not going anywhere. This happened to us. We're in Haiti. We're delivering food to the mountains and the satellite schools, and the truck gets stuck. It happens to them quite a bit actually over there because there are no roads. They have to travel through the river. So they kind of have managed their way in the rock areas and the dry sections of the river. And they're kind of used to this. And whenever they get stuck, the people living in these surroundings come and help pushing the truck. Now, I have to tell you what we witnessed. It was almost hilarious. At one point, I'm looking at all these people helping and working hard. It's 40 degrees. We're sweating, we're exhausted, and we're pushing, and everybody's working hard. Some people are pushing from the front. Some people are pushing at the back at the same time. Some people are putting rocks in front of the tires and at the back at the same time. And at one point, my husband's like, wait a minute, this is not going to work. So walks up to the truck, knocks on the window. Albert, come on. No, Albert goes like, yeah, what? No, never mind, Duff. We've done that thousands of times. We know we're good to go. So my husband goes, okay, I guess you know what you're doing. So keeps going another 15, 20 minutes, pushing back and forth. We've been there for an hour. We're still stuck. And then my husband's like, come on, Albert, just get out of the truck. Come and see. Albert goes back and then he starts looking and he says, okay, I get it. All right, you guys, you go over there. You put some rocks there. You remove the rocks from there, goes back in, and all of a sudden in 5 minutes, we were out of there. Because that's what happens when you take a step back and you start observing the situation and you start working smarter. Because we were actually working really hard. Everybody was working hard. And in our life, in our business, very often we are just working really, really hard and we are hustling and we go full on. But sometimes you need to take a step back and you need to go look at this situation and say, okay, wait a minute. Okay, I see now. So take the time sometimes to take a step back and to observe the situation from far back so that you can realize, wait a minute, how can I do this a better way? Is there a better way of doing this? I'm hustling right now, but potentially I could be working a lot smarter. So take a step back and figure out exactly how to get unstuck in 5 minutes.